Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. So as I promised, I'm installing my flooring, the LVP flooring. So far, let me show you what is done so far. This is all done right here. Looks so nice. Everything has been installed and looks amazing. It looks sharp. And that's the color that we picked that matches those brown cabinets right there. And this side is like that. So the only place left is that at the edge piece right there. They're gonna be putting up later. But there's all those boxes and a bunch of them over there that we're going to install. So this side is almost done. It looks like that. And then the front here, all these is all done. Underneath the dishwasher right there, it's all in. And so now this is the part that we're working on right now to get done. So far so good. These are the pieces that they're like really long pieces like this. It's about six foot, maybe 5. This is about 6 foot. If you can see. Yeah, the 6 foot long pieces. That's gonna go right there. So if you enjoy stuff like this, this is the piece that you use to get it in. You just basically use this plastic thing right here and then tap it in. And tap it in. So these are pretty easy to put in. So anybody can do this. So don't be afraid of this. This anybody can do. So just basically just put, there's like a little lip right here. This thing slides in this way, and then like that. And basically just put this piece here. You tap both sides and this one on the front on this side to get it in. So just wanted to share with you guys the progress. It's kind of boring to record the whole process, so you don't even really need this. I'll just be posting a few pieces here and there just to show you guys the progress. Instead of recording the whole thing, it's pretty boring because you have to stop, you have to cut pieces, you have to use this tool right here to cut it, to cut the holes. Let me show you here. To cut the holes for the vents. So you can see that vent, use this tool right here to cut all this right here. And then you put it in there. So keep following, subscribe, and I'll keep you guys posted on how things are going. But so far so good, it looks really amazing. I had to move all the appliances from the kitchen and put them right here. So once the kitchen area is done, I'm gonna take it back there. And we should be good to go. But this looks so good so far. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to put down your questions in the comments and I'll try to answer as much as I can. But this is the brand that we got. The piece is for Kalivan. Kalivan right here. It's pretty nice. The pieces looks like this. It's got already got the soft padding on the back, but I like it. I like it. That's how it looks if you want to get a closer look at it. Ask me questions. I'll be super happy to share. These are, even when you walk on it feels really smooth. Let me show you this side. Like if you walk on this, it feels really, you feel like you're bouncing because of that part at the bottom. Alright? So it looks amazing. Cool. Please ask me questions if you have any, and I'll answer. Alright? Subscribe, follow, and I'll keep you guys up posted with the progress. So this is all done right here. The bathrooms upstairs are done, and I'll do the actual review of everything done here in the next couple of days. Tomorrow, this should be done by tomorrow. Everything be completed. But I think this looks really cool with this brown cabinets. What do you guys think? If you look at it, it really blends in. And then the countertop, the granite countertops right there, right? Let me know what you guys think. What you guys think about that color? The granite. This granite right here, and that cabinet right there. I did post on my videos asking what options you get, but we picked this one. And this one really match very well with this. Okay, look. It does match pretty good, huh? With this cabinet right here. Let me drop a comment there and let me know what you think. But so far so good. I think it looks amazing. Okay? Let me know. See you later. Bye-bye.